Kakaibang ramen flavor ba ang hanap nyo? If you're adventurous enough to try a different ramen flavor profile, then you must try Ramen Nagi's Salted Egg Crab King. Limited edition lang to and I was able to try it last week and ang sarap niya. Syempre, para ma-stretch ko ang budget, I book a 50% off slot again sa Eatigo. Ramen Nagi's Salted Egg Crab Ramen is a rich, creamy treat soft-shell crab coated in a savory salted egg sauce that blended well with their tonkatsu broth. A little bit spicy, earthy, and kung inakala mo na nakakaumay yung salted egg, hindi. Lasang-lasa mo rin yung crab taste each slurp ng ramen broth. This is one of Ramen Nagi's limited king na sana lagi na lang ibalik kasi something different naman from our usual ramen flavor. Spice and creaminess is just right. Naubos ko itong isang bowl na to na hindi ako nauumay. Perfect blend and each sip is a treat. Ang maganda pa kay Ramen Nagi, makokontrol mo yung richness ng broth. Depende na lang sa preference mo. Maliit lang yung soft shell crab na kasama, sinipsip ko lang siya and marami rin ako nakuhang laman. Sa noodles, I always choose extra firm. Would you dare try this new limited king?